What's the meaning of automation? Automation. Automation.
Automation. Automation. Automation refers to the use of technology and computer software to carry out tasks that were previously done manually. The result of automation is an increase in efficiency and productivity, as machines are capable of performing repetitive tasks much faster and more accurately than humans. Automation also reduces the risk of human error and provides greater control over processes, leading to better quality outcomes. Additionally, automation often leads to cost savings for businesses, as it eliminates the need for manual labor and reduces the likelihood of accidents or injuries in the workplace.